Are you ready to take the wheel and drive your career forward? Look no further. Jost Group, a leading name in transport and logistics, is urgently hiring professional truck drivers in Luxembourg and Germany. This full-time position offers you the chance to secure a long-term role with a reputable international company. With competitive salaries, overtime pay, and additional allowances, your hard work will be rewarded. At Jost Group, you'll receive comprehensive training to ensure a smooth transition into your new role. You'll be driving modern, well-maintained vehicles and benefiting from free parking and convenient access to public transport. We provide workwear, safety gear, and ongoing in-house training programs to keep you at the top of your game. We're looking for candidates who hold a valid Class C or CE driving license, along with a driver qualification certificate and driver card. Even if you only have a Class B license, you're encouraged to apply. If you're reliable, flexible, and physically fit with the ability to work independently, we want to hear from you.
For further details about this position and to submit your application, please check the link in the video description below.